everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I will teach you how you can automate your WhatsApp in your business in just 10 minutes. Imagine you receive a leads queries on WhatsApp and automatically that query is resolved through an AI assistant. And in this video, I will teach you how you can create the entire setup of this WhatsApp AI assistant. And you will create this AI, that too without need of any coding and programming skills. Okay, so now first of all, let me show you how this automation is going to work in real time. So this is my AI assistant, my business AI assistant, and towards this assistant I will ask my first question, that is, do you offer sample sizes? I have a beauty and personal care business, so that is why I'm asking this first question right here to this bot. It will take few seconds for the bot to reply back, so I will wait over here for the reply. And I have received the reply. Yes, selected products are available in milli and travel sample sizes. Availability is shown in each product page. You can see I've received the reply from this bot. I have another question, that is, are Lushberry products cruelty free? So I'm going to ask this next question towards this bot. My business name is Lushberry. That is why I've asked this question. Okay. And I've received the reply. Yes, Lushberry proudly supports cruelty free beauty. None of our products are tested on animals and we actively promote brands with ethical manufacturing prices. Okay. I have my last question, that is, are Lushberry products authentic and safe to use? Okay. So this is the last question that I'll be asking towards this AI assistant. And I've received the reply. Yes, all Lushberry products are 100% authentic and sourced directly from certified brands and authorized distributors. Each item undergoes quality checks before dispatch and ensures safety, freshness, and compliance with cosmetic standards. You can see right over here, this bot is auto-replying to all my queries. Now, in the similar manner related to any businesses that you have, you can create an AI assistant to automate your WhatsApp conversations and resolving inquiries of your leads using this amazing assistant that I will teach you in this video how you can create for yourself as well. Okay, simply what you have to do is you have to come to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. I'm creating this AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow, which is an amazing software that will help businesses to automate their WhatsApp conversations easily and efficiently. Okay, if you want to learn how you can set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, what Pabbly Chatflow is, what are the features and how you can use all the features, check out the video added in the description section below. We have added all the videos there. Go and check out and create your setup. Okay, as the setup will be created, simply from the panel go towards this AI assistant section right here. After coming to the AI assistant section, now go to this add AI assistant button. Firstly, it is asking for the name of my assistant, for which I will write it as I automated my WhatsApp in just 10 minutes. That's the name I want to give. I will add the AI assistant. The AI assistant has been added. After adding the AI assistant, firstly we have to complete some certain sections right here, in which first it is AI instructions. First we have to select the instruction type. I will select the instruction type as AI agent. You can select other instruction type or create a customized instruction type according to you. Next is instructions. Instructions are roles and responsibility of the type that you have selected. If you want, you can eliminate or add in more points according to your business requirement in this section right here. Okay. Next is AI configuration. First is temperature, which is a range of 0 and 1. 0 being very focused replies, 1 being creative. So you can set up the temperature according to what you want. I will select it as 0.5. AI to use, currently we have the option of OpenAI only. So that is why I'm selecting AI to use as OpenAI. Okay. Next, AI model. For the model of OpenAI, I will select it as GPT-5 mini. If you want, you can select other model according to your requirement. Okay. Remember, your OpenAI account should be paid in order to create this AI assistant. Next, we have to enter the API key that we'll receive from our OpenAI account. For that, simply go towards this hyperlink right here. Log into your OpenAI account. You will come to the API keys page directly after going to the hyperlink. Create the key from here. Let me name the key over here as Pabbly Chatflow. Project as default, permissions as all. I will create the key from here. Simply copy this key and paste over here in the field and click on this connect button. Okay. As soon as I will do that, you can see OpenAI key has been saved. Okay. Next, it is asking for AI assistant settings. If you want, with the messages you want header and footer to be added, you can toggle the button on and add in the header and footer. If you want to add in the stop keywords for this AI assistant, you can add the stop keywords from here. If you want retry attempt, you can toggle the other button on. Last is fallback message. This fallback message message, you can edit it from here. It's only going to be forwarded when the API key is not working, when there is a problem with your OpenAI account, then only this fallback message is going to be forwarded. Our first section, AI instructions, is completed. Next is knowledge source. Knowledge source is a very important part of this AI assistant. Knowledge source is a documentation known as knowledge base in which you're going to enter about your business. What is your business about? What are the missions? What are the product categories, types of products, prices of products? Like if you have a service-based business, what is your service? What are the policies? You have to enter everything about your business in this knowledge base. For the example, in this video, I've taken the business Lushberry, which is a beauty and personal care e-commerce business. That is why I've created the entire knowledge base of pages 21. You can see right over here. If you want, you can create a knowledge base for your service-based business, e-commerce business, any businesses that you have to create a proper documentation of that knowledge base. You can only upload two types of files inside Pabbly Chatflow, that is either TXT format or PDF. If your PDF file has no images in it, then the number of pages you can add in the PDF can be unlimited. But if your PDF have images in it, the limit of the pages is only 10. Okay, so I will upload the knowledge base that I have created for my business over here. Simply I'm going to upload it, and as soon as you will upload it, you will see your file in this knowledge sources section. Okay, so let the file be uploaded first. You can see the file is uploaded. As you will see the vector ID, that means the file has been uploaded in the knowledge source section. Okay, so as now the knowledge source is uploaded, next is assistant interface and styling. So if you want to add this AI assistant on your website as well, you can definitely do that. You can add this AI assistant on your website as well. So this is how the assistant is going to look like on your website as well. Okay, now in this assistant interface, over here, if you want to change this heading and add in your brand name, my brand name is what? Lushberry. So what I can do is I can simply paste this brand name right here. Okay. Next is this subheading. So if I want to change the subheading, change the initial message, edit the Power by Pabbly, disable or enable it, add in the footer link like this. You can edit all the things over here in this assistant interface section. Okay. Next is user's first message. So let's suppose the user is directly communicating with your AI assistant. It is not coming through this interface through your website. What will be their first initial message this AI assistant will receive? So you have to enter that initial message over here in this section. Okay, and last is styling. If you want to change the colors of this AI assistant on your interface according to your brand, you can definitely do that from the styling section right here. You can change the theme, change the colors, add in the profile, change the background. You can do everything according to your requirement from the styling section. I do not want to change anything, so I will skip the part. Okay, so as I have done every single thing over here, the assistant has been created. If you want to activate this AI assistant, toggle this button on and save the AI assistant from here. As soon as you will do that, the assistant has been saved successfully and now it has been activated as well. Okay, so now again to test this AI assistant, so I will ask more question to this bot. So this is the bot right here. My first question is, can you give me your support team details? Okay, so this is the question I want to ask. I will wait for the answer right now. Okay, I've received the reply. Sure, here are our support team details, email address, phone number. You can see I've received the reply. I will ask my last question to this AI assistant, that is, what should I do if my order arrives damaged? Okay, so this is the last question that I'm asked to this AI assistant and I've received the reply. I'm sorry to hear that. Here's exactly what you have to do when the order arrives damaged. You can see I've received these steps one by one right here. Okay, so this is how this AI assistant is automatically going to reply to all your leads or customers' queries on WhatsApp as well. And did you see how simple it is? You do not require any coding and programming skills to create this AI assistant. Now what if you want to add this AI assistant on your website? For that, simply go to this embedded section, copy the script from here, add it on your website code, and the AI assistant is going to be added on your website as well. Now what if you want to auto enable this AI assistant to all the customers or leads who sends you the queries on WhatsApp? For that, simply go towards the settings and inbox settings section right over here. Over here, if you'll come to the inbox settings, you have to scroll down till the last and you will see the option of AI auto reply settings. Enable this section from here. As soon as you will enable this, firstly you have to select the contact list to whom you want to automatically enable this AI to. I will select all contacts. If you want, you can select a specific list as well. Okay, then select the AI assistant from here and save this rule. As soon as you will do that, towards all the contacts, this AI is going to be automatically enabled. Okay, now what if you want to a single contact only, this AI assistant should be enabled. For that, go to the inbox section, select any of the conversations from here, go to this choose AI assistant section, toggle this button on, and to this single contact you can enable this AI assistant. Okay, now you will see this AI has been assigned towards this contact as well. Okay, this is how you create this amazing AI assistant, that too without need of any coding and programming skills, using Pabbly Chatflow, and automate your WhatsApp conversations right away. If you have questions or doubts, comment down below. We'll reply to all the queries that you have. This was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other bots using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any questions, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can send us queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any Pabbly Chatflow pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, comment down below if you have any questions, and please do share this video.